Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to solve a coding question of Wipro NLTH which was asked recently. So the question is, the e-commerce company Bookshelf wishes to analyze its monthly sales data between minimum range 30 and maximum range 100. The company has categorized these book sales into 4 groups depending on the number of cells. With the help of these groups, the company will know which stock they should increase or decrease in their inventory for the next month. The group are as follows. So they have given the sales range and the groups. So for example, if the range is between 30 to 50, then the group is going to be D. And for the range 51 to 60, the group is going to be C. And for 61 to 80, the group is going to be B. And for 81 to 100, the group is going to be A. Now write an algorithm to find the group for a given book cell count. So the input consists of an integer cell count representing the total cells of a book. So this will be our input. And the output is print a character representing the group for a given cell count. So you will be given a value of cell count between 30 to 100, and depending on that value you will have to display a group. So for example, if the input is 57, then this is going to be between C group. So our output is going to be C, which is the group of 57. So as you can see in the example, 57 lies in range 51 to 60. So the group is B. So the solution is going to be very easy. So we will just have to look at the 4 groups which are given here, and for the particular range we will have to display a particular group. So now let's move to the solution. So this is the solution in C language, and you can implement the same solution in Python and Java. So here first of all we are taking an integer cell count which is going to take a input from user. So using scanf we will take input from user and we will store that particular input in the variable cells count. And after that we have 4 conditions. So the first condition is if cells count greater than equals to 30 and cells count less than equal to 50, then we will display D group. So here we are checking whether the value of cells count is greater than or equals to 30 and it is less than or equals to 50. If this is the case, then we will display D on the console. And similarly we have next condition, cell count greater than equal to 51 and cell count less than equal to 60. If this satisfies, then we will display C on the console. Now the next condition is cell count greater than equals to 61 and cell count less than equal to 80. So if the cell count lies between 61 and 80, so we will display P on the console. And after that the last condition is cell count greater than equals to 81 and cell count less than equal to 100. So if our cell count lies between 81 and 100, then we will display A on the console. So this is going to be a very easy problem. Now first of all let's execute this code, and this time I am giving the input as 31 because 31 lies in the group D. Now similarly if I give the input as 85, now you can see we are getting the output as A because 85 lies in the A group. So this was the solution for this particular problem. I will be posting more such videos. So if you want to watch more such kind of videos, you can subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can visit our website www.prepdrive.in. The link is also given in the description box. Thanks for watching.